Most of us do it to save money, but that bottle of used cooking oil in your pantry might be a ticking time bomb for your health. When you reuse cooking oil, it doesn't just heat up again, it undergoes a violent chemical transformation at the molecular level. This is molecular breakdown. High heat triggers oxidation, causing stable bonds to shatter and fall apart. This process releases free radicals, highly reactive atoms that can damage your body's cells and DNA. The result? The creation of harmful aldehydes and trans fats, both of which are directly linked to chronic inflammation. Inflammation is the root cause of countless modern diseases, and used oil is a primary driver in the modern diet. These toxic compounds can cross the blood-brain barrier, potentially affecting cognitive function and long-term brain health. Your heart is also at risk. Trans fats and oxidized lipids contribute to arterial stiffness and cholesterol imbalances. Most alarmingly, repeated exposure to these degraded molecules may even increase cancer risk over time. To protect yourself, you must understand the smoke point, the temperature at which an oil stops cooking and starts burning. For high-heat frying, stability is everything. Avocado oil is a top performer with one of the highest smoke points available. Refined olive oil is another excellent choice, offering much better chemical stability than its extra virgin counterpart for frying. Peanut and mustard oils are also champions, resisting molecular breakdown even at searing temperatures. Sunflower and canola oils can handle high heat once, but they become highly unstable if you try to reuse them. How do you know when oil is done? Look for darkening color, a thick or syrupy texture, or a rancid smell. If your oil starts to foam or smoke at lower temperatures than usual, its molecular structure has already collapsed. Discard it immediately. Never pour oil down the drain. Let it cool, seal it in a container, and dispose of it in the trash or at a local recycling center. Consider alternatives like air frying or steaming to reduce your overall oil consumption without sacrificing flavor. The golden rule for health is simple. Use fresh oil every time. Your body keeps the score of every meal you eat. Choose oils with high smoke points, avoid reuse at all costs, and prioritize chemical stability over convenience. Cooking should nourish you, not harm you. Make the switch today for a healthier tomorrow. Biology explains, compassion understands. Subscribe for more science-backed stories that help you live better.